You're probably like most people and think that you can't get paid anymore to make reels. That's where you're wrong. I actually get paid $1.60 per reel view. So if I get 100 views, I make $160. I'm gonna literally show you how I do it step by step in this video. Okay, so here's how it works, all right? First thing that I do is I make a reel. This is our reel. That reel has a very specific call to action, or CTA. The call to action is to buy from me. And so every single time I make a reel, I get paid. Here's how I think about free traffic from Instagram. And frankly, it's honestly kind of amazing to me that we live in a world and a time where we can make as much money as we can from free traffic. We literally don't have to pay any money and we can make a ton of money from it. Back in the day, the barrier to entry was so much higher. You had to buy billboards or expensive ads in like print magazines. It was so much harder to get any kind of traffic. Now, this is how it works, right? This is how I think of traffic on Instagram, okay? You've got all these people, then you make these reels. You can literally take these people, direct them to your reels, create the traffic for free, and all of these reels, if you do it right, can make you money. It probably seems like a basic concept because we're all familiar with how it works, but when you actually live it, like when I'm actually sitting here making a lot of money from this for free, it's genuinely mind-blowing. So I'm gonna show you the exact reel that I'm talking about here, the one that like, we'll do like an actual example together just so you can really see this in action. First of all, if you aren't following me on Instagram, you definitely need to. I create free content every single day on how to make money on Instagram. It's amazing. Okay, so this is the reel that made me a bunch of money and I wanna show you it specifically. So I'm gonna scroll down to it.
Okay, can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm running a flash sale where I'm giving you 24 of my best business courses for just $24. That's right, literally $1 per course. Tons of good stuff on making money, getting leads, amazing courses. If you want a link, just send me a DM with the word 24 and then comment the word done below and I'll send you all the details.
As you can see, this is actually a pretty simple reel. Here's what you're gonna get. Here's how to get it. Now what I wanna do is I'm actually gonna take you to my desktop and I wanna show you what happened after they DM'd me the word 24, because it's really cool and it happens all automatically. Like this is no work from my end. Once they DM me the word 24, all autopilot. So let me show you. Okay, so this thing is called ManyChat. I kind of knew about ManyChat for a while, but I actually didn't know that much about what it did or how amazing it is. And it's genuinely up-leveled our business and caused us to make just a lot more money, frankly. So ManyChat, I'm a big fan of. I need an affiliate link. I don't think I have one, but I really should because I keep talking about it. Basically, the way it works is somebody messages me the word 24, automatically, this automation is triggered to send them the link to buy that flash sale course. So you can see here, it says, hey, here's a link to get the 24 courses. Flash sale is ending super soon, so let me know when you're all signed up. Ta-da. Like that's it, it's that easy. I couldn't believe how easy this was when I first looked into it. Somebody showed it to me and I'm like waiting for them to get to the complicated part and they just never did. It's really this easy. So this is an important part of it. Highly recommend you look into ManyChat. There's not that much stuff on YouTube about it. I really was surprised. I was expecting there to be more resources, more tutorials on it, but it's like this like big secret I think that people don't talk about because it's that amazing. Maybe I'm like spilling the beans and telling you things I shouldn't, but honestly, ManyChat's amazing. Go sign up for it. It's incredible. By the way, if you saw all these 24 courses for $24 and you're like, oh my gosh, that's an amazing deal. I can't believe I missed the flash sale. I'm going to extend it for you guys here. I'm going to drop a special link in the description. Basically what it is it's 24 of my best business courses on getting leads, growing your business, making all the money, all the things that I know about scaling and running a 7-figure online business. I packaged it all together in 24 of my most popular business courses, and I'm selling them for literally $1 each. So you can get 24 business courses for $24. One of the courses that I think you should pay attention to and probably want to grab the whole thing just to get this one is how I'm literally getting 1,000 Instagram followers per day. So we updated a bunch of the material in there because right now I'm getting about 1,000 Instagram followers per day. I just updated in that course how I'm doing that. So if you're interested in growing on Instagram, making money on Instagram, obviously the more followers you have, the better. That will show you how to do that. So like I said, the flash sale is actually closed right now, but if you I'm going to drop a special link in the description for you to grab it there.